How to delete Instagram account permanently. Well, many people don't know how to delete Instagram account. We have made this video specifically for those who are looking for how to delete Instagram account permanently. Differences between permanently deleting and deactivating an Instagram account. Permanently deleting an Instagram account removes all associated data from Instagram servers and cannot be undone, while deactivating an account is a temporary action that suspends the account but preserves all data, and can be reactivated at any time by logging back in. Where you can access the page for deleting an Instagram account. Log into your account. On the Instagram website, navigate to the Delete Your Account page. Through the Help Center, choose a reason for deleting the account. Re-enter your password, and click on the Permanently Delete My Account button. How to delete Instagram account permanently. To delete an Instagram account permanently, log into the Instagram website, go to the Delete Your Account page, select a reason for deleting, re-enter your password, and click on the Permanently Delete My Account button. How to temporarily delete Instagram account. Just log into the Instagram app or website. Go to the Edit Profile page, scroll down to the bottom, select Temporarily Disable My Account, choose a reason, re-enter your password, and click on the Temporarily Disable Account button.